Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Euroguard Expert Advisor, available for free. Euroguard claims to offer an automated trading solution for MetaTrader 5, utilizing price action and technical analysis. It's marketed as user-friendly and adaptable to various market conditions. However, I have some significant concerns about its viability. First and foremost, I don't believe any trading strategy, especially this one, can effectively operate on a $10 account. The financial constraints at that level raise red flags about the strategy's sustainability. Additionally, Euroguard opens a very large number of trades, creating a massive grid. This means it can often generate profits regardless of which direction the price moves. However, this approach is risky, and at some point, it will inevitably fail, leading to substantial losses. Let's dive into the backtesting now and see what we can learn. The Expert Advisor is set to operate on the 5-minute time frame, running from 2020 to 2024. The inputs aren't the main focus here, so we'll leave everything on default. We'll take a closer look at the operations of the Expert Advisor shortly. As you can see, and as expected, the grid strategy leads to several drawdown periods. This is considered normal, and I have some ideas on how we could leverage this to our advantage. I'll discuss those further in the conclusion. When running smoothly, the Expert Advisor is highly profitable, and our equity curve is impressive. Let's take a moment to observe the performance before we analyze the strategy we're trading in detail. We would have made almost $14,000 in profit with an initial deposit of $5,000, which is extremely impressive, especially considering an overall drawdown rate of 38%. One must be prepared to handle those drawdowns, but as I mentioned, I have an idea for managing this in the conclusion, so stay tuned. Now, let's visually examine the strategy tester to see how the Expert Advisor operates and generates profit. The Expert Advisor uses Bollinger Bands as its entry signal, selling above the upper band and buying below the lower band. This is a fairly standard scalping strategy. However, the key to success lies not so much in how you enter the market, but in how you manage the trades afterward. You'll notice a very tight grid of new entry points if the price moves against us. No lot multiplier is used, and in most cases, a small pullback is sufficient to turn our positions into profit. Let's zoom out a bit to get a better view of the structure of the traded instrument. However, you will encounter situations where the price pushes heavily against you. As you can see, these are the drawdown periods we noticed on the equity curve earlier, and this is how they are formed. Ultimately, it seems to work out in the end. You can observe how the Expert Advisor operates live in the market through the FX Blue link in the description. There, you can see every trade that has been made, along with all the statistics you might be interested in. Additionally, I'm working on setting up a live stream from the terminal on YouTube, so you can watch everything unfold in real time. We have a very unconventional approach here. To be honest, I find it super interesting, but I'd like to observe it for a longer period to see if it proves reliable in forward testing. Tomorrow is the election in the United States, featuring Kamala Harris and Donald Trump, which will undoubtedly shake the markets. This is an intriguing starting point to measure the EA's performance under stress conditions. Another factor to consider is the swap fees. I believe this bot could be traded profitably if you allow it to span its grid only in the direction that generates positive swap fees. With this setup, you can even recover from significant drawdowns by accumulating the swap fees from all open positions. If you want to stay updated, please like and subscribe. I'd also love to hear your thoughts on this expert advisor. Will you give it a try? Does it seem interesting to you? At the very least, the results are promising, and we'll see how things unfold. I'll leave you with some backtests to fade out the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you in the future with updates on new free trading robots worth exploring.